Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. We have a PS5 HDMI port replacement. I've already removed the bad port, prepped the board and the port. Just got to get this new port on, do the tweezer test, and bolt it up, test it out. Let's get it on. Alright, let's secure these posts. Oh, sorry about that. Did not mean to bump you. That's the final outcome on the posts. That's the final outcome on the pins. We just got to take care of this displacement, and then we can go ahead and test her out. Pretty bad on the heat sink too. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe as well. Membership's now available, new videos dropped every Sunday. Be sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.